From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing some light snow showers outside right now. We will continue to see them throughout the day today before they end overnight. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower camera. We can't see much at all. We have low visibility up here on top of Smith Hill because of those snow showers. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, here's what it is looking like outside. We are seeing these snow showers now from that nor'easter that is just off the coast right here. The heaviest of snow from this nor'easter is, of course, hitting Boston, New York City, and the Philadelphia areas. We are going to be seeing some lake effect snow form from the winds from this nor'easter later on. We are going to continue to get some lake effect snow throughout the day, even as this nor'easter does move out up north. So here's the radar and satellite showing just that. We are going to see this nor'easter continue to move north, and we will stop seeing snow from it later on. But we are going to be seeing a burst of some lake effect snow into the evening hours and tonight before ending in the overnight hours. A general 1 to 3 inches is expected of accumulation. We are not looking at that much snow coming from this system. We are also going to be getting a wintry mix on Sunday, so we are going to be seeing a little bit more on Sunday, especially up in the North Country. We are also going to be seeing windy conditions today. From this nor'easter, we are looking at wind speeds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. So it is going to be quite windy and could cause reduced visibility because of that snow that is already on the roadways. The winds will become calm overnight tonight and for tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be mostly sunny with those calm winds. It will pick up back up on Sunday as we get that wintry mix into the area, and we are going to be seeing some lake effect snow on Monday, so it will become windy once again. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies this morning with those light snow showers. We will continue to see snow showers throughout the day today, becoming lake effect snow in the evening and overnight hours. This does look to end overnight and get pretty cold. We are looking at temperatures in the single digits and below zero up north. For tomorrow, it is going to be pretty cold with highs just in the low to mid 20s, but it is going to be mostly sunny outside. So tomorrow is definitely the better day of the weekend before we get that wintry mix in on Sunday. So for today, we have mostly cloudy skies with those snow showers and highs just in the upper 20s. Overnight tonight, lows dropping into the single digits, and we are clearing out from those snow showers. So we are going to be seeing mostly sunny skies for tomorrow before a wintry mix comes into the area on Sunday. We are looking at some heavy lake effect snow on Monday, so we are going to continue to keep an eye on that. But we did issue an alert day for Tuesday because of the very cold temperatures with highs just in the single digits. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Organizers with the 2020.
We're saying good morning to Milford and all of the greater Utica region. If you are heading outside this morning, just be careful of the sidewalks. They are going to be quite snowy today and tonight because we are going to be seeing snow all throughout the day. Icy conditions do come into question for tomorrow morning because our temperatures tonight are going to be in the single digits, freezing over any leftover snow accumulation. So just be careful going outside tomorrow morning. But tomorrow is going to be the better day out of the weekend. On Saturday, we are going to be seeing partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies into all of our areas. It is going to be a little chilly with highs just in the 20s. Now on Sunday, we are expecting a wintry mix to come into the area for the Mohawk Valley and south, looking like all snow for the North Country, as our high temperature is in the mid 30s. So here is a look at just that. This is Sunday at 9:30 a.m. Looking a lot like freezing rain and sleet right now on the radar. That as we go towards 4:30 p.m., looking more like snow and some rain in there, and then turning all snow in the evening hours on Sunday. So we are going to continue to track this for the day on Sunday, but it does look like a wintry mix. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Time now to look at some of the events.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are seeing some light snow showers all over this morning, and we will continue to be seeing snow showers throughout the day. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower camera. Can't really see much. We are having low visibility up here on top of Smith Hill because of those snow showers. Now let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Seeing some light widespread snow showers right now due to the nor'easter that is just off the coast. We are going to be seeing some snow showers later on today due to lake effect that was wind driven by the pattern of this nor'easter. So as we can see, the heaviest of snow is off the coast, affecting the main cities of Philadelphia, New York, and Boston. We are only just getting a couple of inches from this. We are not getting the heaviest of snow, and we will be seeing lake effect snow later on. So this is slowly moving north up the coast. We will eventually stop seeing snow from this nor'easter, but once again, those winds that are driving the lake effect snow will bring lake effect snow into our area, specifically the southern part of our area that is looking like the pattern of it, and we will generally see about 1 to 3 inches. So overall, a general 1 to 3 inches of accumulation is expected of snowfall for today. So we are not really getting a lot of snow from this nor'easter, but there are some chances ahead later on next week, looking like we might get some more snow. We are also going to be seeing windy conditions today due to this nor'easter. The wind is looking to calm down tomorrow morning, and it will be calm for tomorrow. On Sunday, a wintry mix does come into the area due to another low pressure system causing some breezy conditions, and it looks like we are going to be getting some heavier lake effect snow on Monday, also with windy conditions. So we are seeing some snow showers here this morning. Temperatures are in the low 20s. We are going to continue to see lake effect snow pick up in the afternoon and evening hours of today before ending in the overnight hours. It is going to get pretty cold once again tonight. We are looking at low temperatures in the single digits and below zero up in the North Country. For tomorrow, it is remaining cold with highs just in the low to mid 20s, but it will be mostly sunny outside before that wintry mix comes in for Sunday. So for today, we have a high in the upper 20s. We are going to be seeing snow showers throughout the day. Overnight tonight, that snow is looking to end, and we will be seeing low temperatures in the single digits. So we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies tomorrow. It looks pretty nice, just a little bit cold with highs just in the low to mid 20s. A wintry mix comes into the area on Sunday as it warms up to the mid 30s for the high, and we are looking to get some heavier lake effect snow on Monday. We did issue an alert day for Tuesday due to the very cold conditions with only a high of 8 degrees. Back to you, Gary.
That's chilly.
Very, very cold.
Well, there's some misinformation.
Welcome back. It looks like we are going to be seeing overcast skies today as we are seeing some snow, but tomorrow it is going to be mostly sunny. So a great day tomorrow to get outside, but it is just going to be a little bit cold. On Sunday, we get a wintry mix into the area, so overcast skies are definitely likely with some heavier lake effect snow expected on Monday. We are slowly gaining time in the daylight once again, so that today the sun rises at 7:32 in the morning. Next week at 7:30, so we gained 2 minutes in the morning hours. 2 weeks, 7:20, so even in 2 weeks it is going to be much brighter in the morning, and in a month, almost at 7 o'clock at 7:09 a.m. So we are slowly gaining hours of daylight, which is a good thing. As the kids are heading off to school today, I would definitely just grab the umbrella just to be safe. We are seeing snow showers in the area. Temperatures in the low 20s in the morning. We will rise to the upper 20s for the high temperature today. I'll have another look at the commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Winter Olympics.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing some snow showers outside right now, and we will continue to be seeing some snow throughout the day. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera. We can't see much on our CAV tower camera because we are having low visibility up here on top of Smith Hill because of that snow. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, showing we are seeing a very light snow showers right now in most of our areas. A lot of the snow from the nor'easter have since moved off the coast, but lake effect snow will be taking over for the afternoon and evening hours today. This is all due to the wind pattern from that nor'easter kind of driving some snow to form over Lake Ontario, and we will be seeing some lake effect snow later on. Now here's the nor'easter kind of moving up the coast now. We did miss a lot of the heavy snowfall. The heavy snowfall did hit kind of the big cities like Philadelphia, New York, and Boston. We just kind of got the backlash of it with just a couple of inches overnight. Now, like I said, we will be seeing some lake effect snow later on. A general 1 to 3 inches is expected for everybody in our viewing area. So still not a lot of snow yet, but we are looking to see some chances of some heavier snowfall coming in next week. We are going to be pretty windy today from the winds from that nor'easter. That wind is going to calm down for tomorrow. It is going to be a great day tomorrow. Partly cloudy. It is just going to be a little bit cold with our highs just in the 20s. Now on Sunday, a wintry mix does come into the area, so the wind does pick up a little bit. And on Monday, we are going to be seeing some heavier lake effect snowfall in some areas, so it is going to be quite windy once again on Monday. So we are going to continue to see light snow showers this morning. That lake effect snow will pick up this afternoon and this evening before coming to an end overnight. It is going to get pretty chilly tonight. Our temperatures are going to fall into the single digits and below zero in some areas like in the North Country. Now for the day tomorrow, it is still going to kind of remain cold. We are only looking at high temperatures in the lower to mid 20s, but that winds are going to be calm, and good news is that it is going to be partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. So for today, we have a high in the upper 20s, and we are seeing some snow showers throughout the day. The snow is looking to end overnight, and we are looking at lows just in the single digits. So we are going to be seeing a pretty chilly day tomorrow, but it is going to be partly cloudy. A wintry mix comes into the area on Sunday as that temperature rises to the upper 30s for the high. A heavier lake effect snow comes into our area on Monday with lows just in the lower 20s, so we will be tracking that out for you. And we did issue an alert day on Tuesday because of that very, very low high temperature, just to 8 degrees, so it is going to feel very, very cold on Tuesday. Back to you, Gary.
Tonight, overnight.
Yes, cold tonight, overnight, temperatures in the single digits once again.
Brr.
Yes, so cold, I hate it.
Hannah, thanks. Organized.
We're saying good morning to Milford and all of the greater Utica region. It is going to be snowing for most of us throughout the day today, so if you are heading outside, the sidewalks are going to be a little bit snowy for this morning, throughout the day, and for tonight. Now, overnight tonight, the snow is going to end, so any leftover snow accumulation is going to freeze because our low temperatures are going to be in the single digits. So watch out for some icy spots tomorrow morning. Some parts of the sidewalk and the roadways may be a little bit icy. If you are getting ready to plan out your weekend, Saturday is definitely going to be the better day. It is going to be partly cloudy to mostly sunny on Saturday with highs in the lower to mid 20s, so still a little bit colder than Sunday, but Sunday is when we are going to be seeing some wintry mix in the Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valley, looking like all snow for the North Country on Sunday. So here's a look at that. This is at 9:30 a.m. looking like some snow mixed with some freezing rain and some sleet in there. Now in the afternoon hours, 4:30 p.m., that is when we are going to be seeing some rain as well as some freezing rain, and then in the evening hours is when it turns over to snow, and this will eventually come to an end before some snow does start once again on Monday. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Time now to look.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are seeing some light snow showers this morning still, but they are slowly coming to an end, and we will see lake effect snow showers pick up later on. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower camera. Still little visibility up here on top of Smith Hill, still not seeing much on our tower camera. But if we do look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we did see some light widespread snow accumulating last night due to that nor'easter. That is since starting to die down now as the nor'easter continues to move up the coast. But as we can see over Lake Ontario, lake effect snow has started to pick up due to the wind pattern from this nor'easter. So let's take a look now. We did miss the heaviest part of the snow now affecting Boston, New York City, and it did affect Philadelphia earlier on last night, but that is since moving off the coast, and we are not really seeing a lot of snow from this nor'easter altogether. We are just going to see some lake effect snow later on this morning into the afternoon and evening hours. It looks to be an all-day event, but little accumulation is expected. We did get some Skywatcher reports this morning, looking like we are ranging in the 20s for most of our areas. We are at 19 degrees in Old Forge and in Inlet, 21 in Glenmore, 24 in Clinton, and 25 in New Hartford. If we do go down to the south, we have 22 in Evanston, 23 in Morris, and in West Lawrence. So it is a pretty chilly start to the morning. We are only going to reach a high temperature in the upper 20s today. Here's a look at the snowfall for today. A general 1 to 3 inches is expected for all of our areas from that nor'easter snow last night and from the lake effect snow that is going to pick up later on today. It is going to continue to be windy from the winds from that nor'easter. We will calm down tomorrow. It is looking to be a nice day tomorrow. The winds will pick back up a little bit on Sunday as a wintry mix comes into the area along with the low pressure system, and we are looking to get some heavier lake effect snow on Monday, so it is going to be windy once again. So we will see that lake effect snow pick up later on. Generally, 1 to 3 inches is expected for all of us. This does look to end overnight, looking to get pretty chilly overnight with overnight lows just in the single digits and below zero up north. For tomorrow, it is going to remain chilly. We have highs in the lower 20s, but it is going to be mostly sunny. So for today, we have a high in the upper 20s. We are going to continue to see some snow showers throughout the day. Overnight tonight, lows drop into the single digits, and that snow will be clearing out, and those clouds will be clearing out as well. So we are seeing partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies for tomorrow. A wintry mix does come into the area on Sunday, and some heavier lake effect snow looks to come in on Monday. We did decide to put out an alert day for Tuesday due to very, very cold temperatures with highs only in the single digits. Back to you, Gary.
Anna, thanks. There's some misinformation.
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing snow showers all throughout the day today, so overcast skies are likely. We will be clearing out tomorrow for mostly sunny skies, but then the wintry mix comes back in for Sunday. So overcast skies for Sunday, and on Monday we are looking to get some heavier bands of lake effect snowfall, so it is going to be overcast. But we are gaining minutes in the daylight. So right now the sun rises this morning at 7:32 a.m. so it is still dark at 7 a.m. Next week it will rise at 7:30, so seeing a little bit of light at 7 a.m. In 2 weeks, 7:20, so we are a big jump 2 weeks, and in a month it will rise almost at 7 a.m. at 7:09, so we are getting longer days as the days continue to progress. If the kids are heading to school today, I would definitely grab the umbrella just in case. We are going to be seeing snow showers throughout the day. Temperatures this morning are in the lower 20s, and by the afternoon, we will be in the upper 20s. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Winter Olympics.
Welcome back. We are looking generally to see 1 to 3 inches of snow, the heaviest of snow falling towards the southwest in Madison County, and the Southern Valley is getting even more snow this time than the Mohawk Valley and the Northern Valleys, or the North Country. Today, if you wanted to plan out your weekend planner, Saturday does look to be the better day. We are going to be seeing partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies on Saturday with temperatures in the 20s, so it is going to be a little bit warmer than Sunday. But on Sunday, we are looking at a wintry mix to come into the area for the Mohawk Valley and Southern Valleys, looking like all snow for the North Country, but definitely Saturday is the better day. So for today, we are going to continue to see some snow showers. They now have turned into lake effect snow showers with a high in the upper 20s. Overnight tonight, our lows drop very low into the single digits. It will be clearing out from that snow, and it will turn mostly clear. Back to you, Gary.
Anna, thanks. Time now to look at some of the events.
Welcome back. We are still looking at some snow showers clearing out here this morning before lake effect snow takes over for the day. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As we can see here, the snow that we have been receiving from the nor'easter have since moved up north off the coast. But we are going to be seeing some lake effect snow showers form for the afternoon and for the evening hours today, so that will take over this morning. Temperatures are still in the teens and lower 20s. We will reach a high temperature today only in the upper 20s, and it is going to get pretty cold tonight. So we are seeing those snow showers throughout the day today. A cold start to the weekend starting overnight tonight with lows just in the single digits, and we did issue an alert day for Tuesday due to our high temperature only being in the single digits. So as you are driving around today, just be careful for some slick spots on the roadways. We are going to continue to be seeing snow showers throughout the day with a high just in the upper 20s, and I will be tracking that alert day and much more coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. COVID-19 continues.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing those snow showers from the nor'easter last night slowly clearing out this morning, but lake effect snow is going to take over. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera. We do see some snow accumulation on the ground up here on top of Smith Hill, and most of our areas did see some snow accumulation this morning from last night. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we see that widespread snow that we did see overnight have since moved off into the north and to the east. We are still just seeing a little bit of snow flurries here and there this morning, but if we do look over Lake Ontario, there is some lake effect snow forming that will come into our area. This has formed because of the wind pattern of the nor'easter. So let's take a look at that nor'easter. The heaviest of snow, it didn't really hit us. We kind of got the light snowfall accumulation just behind the low pressure system. The heaviest of snow is impacting the Boston, New York City area. We just saw a little bit of accumulation from the back end of this nor'easter. But because of the wind pattern of this, we did see some winds blowing over Lake Ontario, and we will be seeing some lake effect snow moving into our area for today. A general 1 to 3 inches is expected for everyone, with the heaviest of snow falling to the western part of our viewing area. It's kind of the western part of Oneida County and in Madison County. We did get some Skywatcher reports this morning looking like we are ranging mainly in the 20s. We have 19 degrees in Old Forge and in Inlet, 21 in Glenmore, 25 in New Hartford. And going down to the south, we do have 22 in Emerson, 21 in Milford, and 23 in Morris and in West Lawrence. It is going to be pretty windy today because of this nor'easter, so expect the wind speeds to climb up as we get into the afternoon hours, feeling a little bit cooler than the actual temperature. They will calm down for tomorrow, but become breezy on Sunday as we see a wintry mix. We are going to be seeing some more lake effect snow on Monday, so the winds will be pretty windy on Monday. So we are going to be seeing lake effect snow later on this morning and afternoon, looking to clear out in the overnight hours. It does drop pretty low in temperatures overnight. We are looking at temperatures in the single digits and below zero in the North Country. We will be pretty cold tomorrow with highs just in the low 20s, but it will be mostly sunny. For today, we're looking at highs in the upper 20s. We are going to be seeing snow showers. Overnight tonight, we have lows in the single digits, and it will be clearing out. So we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies for tomorrow. A wintry mix does come in on Sunday as that temperature warms. Lake effect snow returns on Monday, and an alert day for Tuesday due to very low temperatures.
Very outer edge of that nor'easter. Not getting too much snow. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now, and this is one accident that took place out in Verona today. Some snow out there.
Yes, we are seeing some snowfall from that nor'easter, but that has since cleared out. We saw a couple of inches, but just be careful for slippery roadway conditions and be careful when driving. So this is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. I did want to show you that nor'easter has since moved north and off the coast. The snow that we are seeing right now is actually from lake effect snowfall. That the wind from the nor'easter drove this lake effect snowfall to begin. This is going to last throughout the day, coming to an end overnight. We are also seeing some wind from the nor'easter. We are looking at 13 miles per hour wind speed at the Rivers Park Airport in Rome right now. So that could also cause some visibility issues for snow blowing in front of your windshield on the roadways. So just be careful when driving. We are going to continue to see these snow showers today. A very cold start to the weekend. Overnight lows tonight dropping into the single digits, and highs tomorrow only in the lower 20s. We also did issue an alert day for Tuesday because the high temperature on Tuesday is only going to be about 8 degrees. So it is going to be very, very cold on Tuesday. So for the rest of the day, we will continue to be seeing lake effect snow showers, temperatures in the 20s, and I will be tracking when this snow is coming to an end coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A consumer alert now.
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing some light snow showers here this afternoon, looking to clear out as we get into the evening hours. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera. We are seeing overcast skies here at noon. We are also seeing some snow accumulation on the ground from this morning, as well as some light snow still falling right now. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, seeing light snow showers in the Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valleys. This is all due to lake effect snow over here. That nor'easter has since moved off into the north coast and will not affect us anymore. Right now, we are just seeing some snow showers from lake effect that is driven by the winds from this nor'easter. So here's the nor'easter that has since moved up off the coast and will no longer affect us here this afternoon. Temperatures right now are ranging in the 20s, so it is still a bit chilly outside. We are also seeing a wind speed, so it is feeling a little bit colder than the actual temperature. We are in the 20s up in the North Country, in the mid to upper 20s in the Mohawk Valley, and the same thing goes for the Southern Valleys. Again, feeling probably about 10 degrees cooler because of that wind speed. It is going to continue to be windy today. It will calm down for tomorrow. It looks like we are going to have a nice day in store for tomorrow with partly cloudy skies. On Sunday, it gets a little breezy again as a low pressure system moves into the area, bringing in a wintry mix. And on Monday, we are looking to get some heavier lake effect snowfall, so it is going to be windy once again on Monday. So if you are planning out your weekend, Saturday looks to be the better day. It is going to be colder, but the winds are going to be calm and it is going to be partly cloudy. Now on Sundays, when we get that wintry mix into the area, it is going to be warmer, but it could be messy outside for Sunday. So we are seeing lake effect snow showers here this afternoon. These are looking to come to an end overnight tonight. It is going to get very chilly tonight with lows dropping into the single digits, even below zero for the North Country. For tomorrow, we are going to be seeing partly cloudy skies and highs just in the low 20s with calm wind speeds. Now, as we get into Sunday, it does look like this wintry mix is going to come in the morning hours. The freezing rain and the sleet looks to stay south of Utica, whereas the snow looks to stay in Utica and north of Utica throughout the day. Then, once we get into the afternoon and evening hours, looks like some rain does come into the area, and that snow does shift to the north. After that, it will clear out, and we will see some lake effect snow showers return on Monday. But for today, we have a high in the upper 20s. We are seeing some snow showers still this afternoon. Overnight tonight, we have a low in the single digits, and that snow will be clearing up, and we will see a partly cloudy day tomorrow. That mixed precipitation doesn't return until Sunday. We are going to be seeing freezing rain and mixed precipitation south of Utica, whereas the snow stays north of Utica. On Monday, it gets a little cooler, and we are going to be seeing some lake effect snowfall, so this could be heavy at times. We are going to continue to keep an eye out on this. Now, we did issue a storm tracker alert day for Tuesday due to those very cold temperatures. We are looking at a high only in the single digits and a low below zero for everyone. Back to you, Gary.
Good snowmaking weather.
Yes, it is good snowmaking weather, especially for the ski mountains that want to make snow on Tuesday. It'll be a good day.
Hannah, thanks. As the Omicron variant. Time now for first look at the weather in this half hour. Once again, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are still seeing some light snow showers in our area, especially in the Mohawk Valley and south of the Mohawk Valley here this afternoon. We are not looking to clear out until this evening. So here's our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The lake effect snow band that is now forming after that nor'easter has passed through is kind of aiming towards the Mohawk Valley and just south of it, with the heaviest of snow hitting Madison and Chenango counties. We are going to clear out in the evening hours. We are also seeing a wind speed from this nor'easter. We are looking at 13 miles per hour wind speed recorded at Gervais Park Airport in Rome right now. So it is feeling a little bit chillier than the actual temperature. Also, there may be some visibility issues when driving with the snow still on the roadways. So we are still seeing some snow showers today. We are getting a cold start to the weekend. Overnight lows tonight dropping into the teens and highs only in the low 20s tomorrow. We did issue an alert day for Tuesday due to very cold temperatures and our high temperature only being around 8. But for today, we are seeing temperatures in the 20s. We are still seeing some snow showers, and I will be tracking when this snow is coming to an end coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Whitesboro Police.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing some light snow showers in the area. The snow is not looking to clear out until this evening. Looking at our CAV tower camera right now, we are seeing mostly overcast skies. We are also seeing a brief snow shower here in Utica and some snow accumulation on the ground. Now on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are looking at a few snow showers still in the area, with the heaviest of snow falling towards the Mohawk Valley and towards the southern valleys. That is the band of the lake effect. It is kind of aiming more towards the southeast, so we are going to be seeing the heaviest of snow in the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys rather than the North Country here this afternoon. So here's the radar showing just that. We are not really seeing any more snow from that nor'easter. That has since moved off into the northeast coast. Now we are just seeing some lake effect snow showers driven by the wind pattern of the nor'easter that had passed through earlier today. Temperatures right now are in the 20s. We are mainly ranging in the mid to upper 20s. We are in the mid 20s in the North Country, the mid to upper 20s here in the Mohawk Valley, and the same thing goes for the southern valleys here this afternoon. It is going to get very cold tonight with our low temperatures dropping into the single digits. May also feel a little bit colder outside right now because of that wind. We are seeing about 15 miles per hour wind speed right now, so it is quite windy outside. The winds will calm down for tomorrow, but then pick back up on Sunday as a low pressure system moves towards the area, bringing in a wintry mix. On Monday, it is going to get windy once again. We are going to be seeing a little bit more lake effect snow showers. So if you are planning out your weekend, I would say tomorrow is the better day of the weekend. We are going to see partly cloudy skies and temperatures in the 20s, so it is going to be a little bit chillier than Sunday, but on Sunday we are going to get a wintry mix into the area, so it is going to be a little messy. So we are seeing some lake effect snow showers still here this afternoon. The snow, it doesn't look to clear out until the evening hours tonight. We will slowly clear out tonight with lows dropping into the single digits and below zero for some areas up north. Now tomorrow it only is going to rise to the low 20s for the high, so it is going to be quite chilly tomorrow, but it is going to be mostly sunny. As we get into Sunday, we are going to see a wintry mix come into the area in the morning. The freezing rain and the sleet looks to stay south of Utica, whereas the snow looks to stay north of Utica. So it will be that way throughout the day before some rain moves into the area and that snow does shift to the north. But for today, we have a high in the upper 20s. We are seeing some snow showers still, looking to clear out overnight with lows in the single digits. So we are going to be seeing a pretty nice day tomorrow. It is just going to be a little chilly. A wintry mix comes into the area on Sunday, and some heavy lake effect snow is possible for Monday. We did issue a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for Tuesday because of those very low temperatures with highs only in the single digits. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The comments will be
Kristen Copeland.
I'm Jason Paulus. A nor'easter stayed south and east of us, and the light snow that we did get has moved out.
But it's going to get cold tonight. We start in the Weather Center. Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis is tracking.
And we have a lot of things to track here as we look ahead. This evening, we have some localized lake effect snow. So if you are heading out, there could be some slow spots on the roadways and reduced visibility. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is not widespread, really heavy activity, but again, it is very localized. Bands of snow continue from Rome to Utica to just north of Little Falls, Stratford. Also some bands of snow over in Cooperstown, Edmonston, Sherburne. These are gradually going to drift south as we head into this evening and tonight. And there will be a drying trend, and we'll get a chance to clear out as we head into tonight. So the lake effect snow is only around for a few more hours. Current temperature is 19, feels like 5. Cold air on the way. We'll be in the single digits tonight and a cold start to the weekend. And then our next weather system arrives on Sunday, bringing a wintry mix with some issues on the roadways, especially in the morning. Some snow showers this evening, temperatures in the teens, tracking a very active 7-day forecast, and that's coming up. Back over to you.
Going county by county with the COVID.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're tracking lake effect snow bands moving through the region this evening. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You can see the activity does stretch across a portion of the area. Our CAV tower cam here on Smith Hill, it's kind of hard to see the bands here because of the loss of daylight, but we are seeing some snow on Smith Hill. The band stretches from Rome all the way east, even to north of Albany, out towards Saratoga Springs. And it's in this band that we are seeing reduced visibility and a quick inch or two of snowfall accumulation. It's a very narrow band, so it's only affecting a small part of the area, again, north of the New York State Thruway. This is gradually heading south. Another band stretching across northern Chenango County into central Otsego County, Cooperstown, Edmonston, seeing some of that snow. Again, this is drifting south. Bottom line, do be on the lookout for reduced visibility, a quick inch or two of accumulation from now through 9 p.m. The lake effect snow will be drifting to the south and coming to an end as we head into tonight. The weather looking pretty busy. Saturday, we get a nice break, sunshine, temperatures in the 20s. A wintry mix is here Sunday with temperatures in the upper 30s, some slippery spots Sunday morning. Big Moose 11, Dolgeville 19, Little Falls 21. Cold air drawing in from the north. Skanevis 18, Sherburne 20, Hamilton with 18. Again, sidewalks will remain snowy as we head throughout the course of this evening and tonight. So footing a little tricky out there, especially for the next 24 hours. Again, some light snow around this evening. It is a cold night to go out for a walk, so if you are taking the dog out, make it a short one. Tonight's featured dog is Shane. And if you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. Radar and satellite image showing a nor'easter missing our area, still producing some light snow across central New York. It is all about the lake effect here for the next couple of hours. Check out what happens tonight. The bands head to the south and west and will gradually come to an end overnight. Clearing skies, temperatures drop down into the single digits. Saturday looks nice, sunshine, cold, temperatures in the low 20s, light winds, a generally nice January day. Clouds thicken up Saturday night. And then we are talking about this wintry mix for Sunday. It starts out as snow, sleet, and freezing rain, and then it turns over to rain showers in the afternoon. Temperatures will be in the upper 30s. The biggest concern here is the potential of sleet and freezing rain Sunday morning. This is primarily going to affect the Mohawk and southern valleys. Any amount of this could cause some issues, but we could see some accumulating ice. Not a lot, but enough to make things quite slippery Sunday during the morning and early afternoon. There's also going to be some snow on the northern half of this system, 2 to 4 inches of snowfall possible into the Adirondacks. Tonight, down to 5, clearing up. Tomorrow, sunshine, beautiful day, 26. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. A wintry mix for Sunday. Heading into Monday, heavy lake effect snow, temperatures in the 20s. Tuesday is our alert day for high temperatures only in the single digits, but there's a lot going on here. So if you are going to be planning on traveling Sunday, Monday, snow, sleet, freezing rain, an issue. Don't. If you don't have to.
I was telling Bill, to a lot of our former reporters who have moved on to other markets. I woke up this morning, checking Facebook, and they're all out there in the snow and reporting, but good practice from Central New York.
That's
they
right.
took it with them.
Let's show you what we didn't get. Millions of people dealing with heavy snow and dangerous driving conditions, also cold temperatures. New Jersey, Massachusetts, Kentucky, Tennessee, Virginia again. From coast to coast, nearly 80 million are under winter weather alerts. Here in New York, just outside of Buffalo, 18 inches, which is a new daily record for them. Low visibility and icy conditions, too.
That's not recommended.
No. When it is safe, getting outside in winter can be good for your mental and physical health.
Mandy Gaither reports.
If you're dodging the dipping temperatures, you may choose the couch over the cold.
It really decreases our happiness not to get outside.
But Dr. Stephanie Walsh with Children's Healthcare of Atlanta Strong for Life says getting outdoors, braving lower temperatures is crucial to your mental and physical health.
Being outside, breathing fresh air, really, it changes everything, particularly your mood.
Walsh says going outdoors may also lower your risk of spreading germs, allowing you to keep your distance from others. Being active can also help supercharge your immune system for up to 24 hours.
We tend to think of it as adults as exercise, and remember that kids think of it as play. So reminding them, go outside and play and have some fun.
That can also help you and your family catch those Z's.
The better sleep we get, the healthier we are, the more we're better able to fight disease.
While bundling up is important, Walsh says to wear layers. Try allowing your kids to choose their own winter weather attire.
If they're cold, well, they'll come back in and put more clothes on. Or if they're hot, it's okay for them to take off their hat.
So as the temperature drops, make sure you don't leave your health in the cold. For Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.
Also to remember in winter, you can't catch a cold from the cold. It's just the result of coming into contact with a virus. It's also important to continue to drink plenty of water. Dehydration can happen even when it's cold out, and it's chilly out there right now.
Chilly outside, low visibility. That's not a blank monitor.
Problem,
it's
no.
not that is our tower cam. Coming up, setting the stage for trial, a murder case is back in Oneida County.
Meteorologist Bill Curtis tracking the radar right now. A little lake effect going on.
Yeah, this band is really narrow, but it is packing a punch where it is falling. This band extending 150 miles from Lake Ontario all the way to Albany. That's how we can tell how strong a band of lake effect snow is. It's not about how thick it is, how wide it is, but the length of it. And if it can make it all the way to Albany, it is producing near whiteout conditions in the very center of that band. That, of course, is only a very small area. But again, if you're in the middle of it, it feels pretty bad. This band will be dropping south. Again, we're not expecting a lot of accumulation overall because this band is moving. But again, a quick inch or two of accumulation as it drifts southward, impacting the thruway here over the next hour, and then working its way into the southern valleys heading into tonight. That's only the beginning of a very active weather pattern here. We're talking about a wintry mix for Sunday. I did want to briefly touch upon Monday. We're talking about heavy lake effect snow. This is expected to be widespread heading into Monday evening as an Arctic front arrives. So then again, we're going to be watching this closely because this brings a burst of snow to all of us here Monday. And then in its wake, we are talking about by far the coldest air we've seen so far this season. Frigid conditions heading into Tuesday. Snow showers this evening, temperatures in the teens, again tracking that wintry mix as we head into Sunday. A look at the forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Upstate Family Health Center.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're tracking lake effect snow that continues to impact our area. It's localized, but where the band is falling, we're looking at near whiteout conditions. Let's take a live look at the Cavity Tower Cam. We've turned the camera into our parking lot. You can see we have a light coating of snowfall on the cars and in the parking lot this evening. We're not expecting a lot of accumulation as we look through this evening. This band is going to be on the move, and let's take a look at where it is on the Yorkville Battery Stern Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This band extends all the way down the Mohawk Valley into Albany, over 150 miles across. That's impressive. That usually tells us that the band, even though it doesn't look impressive on the radar, because it is that long, over 100 miles wide, it is likely producing some locally heavy snowfall in the center of that band. Again, that band is just north of the city of Utica, north of the thruway here. It's going to be dropping south, and again, not a lot of accumulation here. A high impact for a short period of time is going to be the idea here. And we're already seeing some of those bands across the southern half of our area starting to weaken. More some heavier snow, these bands again drifting to the south, and that will be the case throughout tonight. So overall, not much additional accumulation for most areas, but again, a brief whiteout or two, certainly in the cards. Alder Creek 15, Boonville 15, West Leyden 14. It is turning much colder as cold air works in from the north. Mohawk 20, Cooperstown 16, Milford with 17 degrees. And we are tracking that lake effect snow as it continues to drop south across the area over the next few hours. This is being driven by low pressure nor'easter producing heavy snowfall across southern New England today. Some places getting more than 10 inches of snowfall. That storm heading out to sea. And as it does so, the lake effect snow locally comes to an end as the winds turn into the northwest. So again, little additional accumulation for most areas tonight. Temperatures drop down into the single digits, below zero in the northern half of our area. Heading into tomorrow, a beautiful day, sunshine, cold, temperatures in the low 20s. On Sunday, our next system brings a wintry mix. This starts out as snow, sleet and freezing rain Sunday morning. So if you're heading out to church, maybe to the grocery store, just keep in mind that the roads can be slippery earlier in the day. The wintry mix turns over to rain in the afternoon, and then we're expecting at least drier conditions here heading into Sunday evening. Some ice accumulation is possible with freezing rain, especially south of the Mohawk Valley, in the Mohawk Valley and south heading into Sunday. The northern half of this producing about 2 to 4 inches of a heavy snowfall, wet snowfall for the North Country. So again, some tricky travel to be had, especially Sunday morning. So again, just a heads up. Clearing out tonight, down to 5, so cold start to the day tomorrow. Sunshine, a high of 26. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Again, that wintry mix on Sunday, 39. Monday, lake effect snow and potential snow squalls later in the evening as an Arctic front arrives, 22. We have Tuesday highlighted as the Storm Tracker 2 alert day. This is for the cold. We start out below 0, high of only 8, so pretty high level of cold for our area. Not unprecedented, but certainly the coldest has been in a while. Wednesday, 28. We climb out of this pretty quickly. We're above freezing again as we look ahead to Thursday. We'll be right back.
This morning you saw snow showers. Yeah, they've cleared out for most people right now, but that was just a taste of what we're going to see in the next few days. Let's get you over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis, tracking some lake effects. Very narrow band, isn't it, Bill?
Yeah, what we're dealing with here this evening is very localized. With the weather very active as we look ahead. I think a lot of areas are going to be seeing our fair share of winter as we head into Sunday and Monday, especially Tuesday. Live look at the Airfield Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar heading out this evening. We're watching this band of lake effect snow that stretches across the Mohawk Valley. It's not very wide, or it's not very thick, but it is causing some limited visibility, whiteout conditions. Not a lot of snowfall here, just a quick inch or two as it moves south across the area. This will move to the south into the Mohawk Valley and south of the Thruway over the next few hours, and we will be seeing the snow gradually come to an end this evening. Current temperature is 19 degrees. Will continue to fall through the teens this evening. We do see the snow come to an end, and we get a dry start to the weekend with some sunshine on Saturday, but then the weather becomes a lot more active. A look at that forecast coming out. Kristen, back to you.
County by county with the COVID numbers.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We continue to track some leftover lake effect snow in our area, producing some local issues. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cavvy Tower Cam. We've been in one of these bands of snow on Smith Hill, and you can see the cars are coated. It's not a huge accumulation by any means, but it is enough to make things slippery if you're going to be heading out this evening. This is, again, a look at our parking lot, our Cavvy Tower Cam. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Notice that most of us are not seeing snow, but some of us are. We'll zoom in and show you those spots. Again, right along the New York State Thruway, this band of heavy lake effect snow. It's narrow, but it's producing some poor visibility as it continues to move through this area. Again, central Oneida County. This band will be gradually dropping south and weakening as we head into tonight. Otsego County, for the most part, not much going on at the moment. A couple of snow showers, Morris over Oneonta. Again, this is going to continue to drift to the south as well. So not much more additional accumulation is to be expected for tonight. Weekend starts out dry and cold. We'll be in the single digits to start Saturday morning, a high temperature of 26. On Sunday, a wintry mix arrives. In the morning, we're talking about snow, sleet, and freezing rain. So some issues on the roadways early in the day. Then temperatures very slowly climb above freezing. It's cold out there this evening. Old Forge 15, Curtis Corners 15, Middleville 21, across the southern valleys, Richfield 18, Whitesboro 18, and Morris checking in with 19 degrees. And again, tonight's low temperatures in the low single digits in many areas. So you look at the radar and satellite image, the snow that we're seeing now is being caused by low pressure off the coast. This nor'easter, again, missing our area, but it is steering the wind current, again, allowing for that lake effect snow to develop earlier this afternoon. The bands of snow head to the west and weaken as we head into tonight as cooler, drier air works in. Single digits Saturday morning, sunshine throughout Saturday afternoon. A generally nice day considering it is January. Sunshine, temperatures in the low 20s. We'll call that pleasant. Heading into tomorrow night, increasing clouds, temperatures drop down into the low 20s. And then Sunday, traveling in the morning looks tricky. We're looking at that wintry mix, snow, sleet, freezing rain. A very slow changeover to plain rain is expected in the Mohawk Valley in the afternoon, with temperatures climbing into the mid-30s. Some ice accumulation is possible from freezing rain as we head into Sunday morning and Sunday early afternoon. This is in the Mohawk Valley and Southern Valley. So again, watch out for untreated surfaces. Driveways, sidewalks could be very slippery in the morning. You want to plan on that. Where we're not seeing freezing rain, we're seeing snow. And this is for the North Country. Snowfall accumulation on Sunday, 2 to 4 inches. And this is going to be a very wet snowfall. Again, this is going to cause traveling issues across the North Country as well. Clearing up tonight, low of 5. Tomorrow, sunshine, enjoy it. Temperatures in the low to mid-20s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Wintry mix Sunday, 39. We're keeping an eye on Monday for lake effect snow. Heavy accumulations possible north of the valley. Widespread snow arrives as an Arctic front delivers a punch of cold air. On Tuesday, we have an alert day for high temperatures only in the single digits. Overnight lows well below 0, so a very cold day. Wednesday, we are less cold. We'll climb out of it pretty quickly. We're into the low 30s on Thursday.
Now for a first look at the forecast tonight, let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. Colder air starting to work into central New York. We were dealing with lake effect snow showers throughout the course of the afternoon and evening, and we still are, especially across the southern part of our area. Otsego County seeing some lake effect snow showers as well as portions of the North Country. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The lake effect snow does come to an end as we head into tonight, and the cold weather settles in. Our current temperature is 14 degrees. It feels like 1 below 0 with the wind. That wind howling out of the west-northwest at 15 miles an hour. We'll see the wind continue as we get into tonight. And the bigger picture showing high pressure building in from the west, drawing in some cold weather from the north. And again, it is going to be cold as we get into tonight. Temperatures start out Saturday morning in the single digits. Our next weather maker arrives on Sunday. This brings a wintry mix to the area. We're talking about snow, freezing rain and rain as we head into Sunday. And we've got Tuesday highlighted as an alert day. We'll take a closer look at what that's all about coming up. Tonight, down to 5, cold temperatures. We've got to look at that weekend forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The CDC is facing...
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. Our CAV tower cam is overlooking the city of Utica. We saw some snow earlier today, picking up about 2 inches of accumulation in the city of Utica. Lake effect snow bands continue to move south of the region. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Still seeing some bands in Otsego, Shenango, Madison County, and even a couple of flurries occasionally across Oneida County. But the bulk of this activity comes to an end as we head into the start of our weekend. Saturday, it's a cold start, single digits to near 0, especially across the North Country. I wouldn't be surprised if some places fell below 0, Old Forge into the Adirondacks. We'll see high temperatures on Saturday afternoon in the low to mid-20s, a partly sunny day. Pretty nice day. Sunday, a wintry mix. We're talking about snow, some sleet, mainly freezing rain, and very slippery road conditions, especially Sunday morning. High temperatures in the upper 30s. If you're going to be going out doing some walking, breaking cabin fever on Saturday, the roads, the sidewalks will be snowy from the snow that we saw today, and then things get icy on Sunday. That's not going to be a walker-friendly day with freezing rain taking place in parts of the area. Radar and satellite image showing a nor'easter departing the eastern seaboard. That's been responsible for bringing us lake effect snow throughout the afternoon and early evening. Bands of snow again head to the west and fall apart. Sunshine is going to develop Saturday morning. Single digits to start out the day, again below 0 north. It is going to be a cold start, but it should be a nice Saturday with mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the 20s. Increasing clouds for Saturday night. The next wave of low pressure approaches from the west, and this is going to be a mess. We're talking about, again, that wintry mix. Starting out as snow across the North Country, freezing rain in the cards here across the Mohawk and Southern Valleys. Temperatures do climb to near or just above freezing, so that could help alleviate conditions in the afternoon. But again, we are talking about the potential of some ice accumulation. Not a major amount, not enough to cause any big power outages, but enough to take notice. This could cause some scattered branches to come down in some of the spots to see the heaviest accumulation. That would be in and south of the Mohawk Valley. Some snow with this too, about 2 to 4 inches north of the Mohawk Valley. Again, a wet snowfall. Clearing up tonight, low 5 tomorrow. A beautiful afternoon, sunshine, temperatures in the mid-20s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Lake effect snow on Monday. Heaviest looks to be north of the valley, high of 22. Bitterly cold Tuesday. We made that a Storm Tracker 2 alert day because our high is only 8. We spent a good portion of the day near 0. Wednesday, 28. We do recover pretty quickly. Light snow on Thursday. We'll be right back.
Now for a first look at the forecast tonight, let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, tracking some lake effect snow that is finally coming to an end this evening. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It is turning cold as the snow comes to an end. We are looking at some cold air working in from the north. Our current temperature is 12 degrees. It feels like 6 below 0 with that wind from the northwest at 18 miles an hour. The wind will continue to carry in some very cold temperatures tonight, many of us getting down to near 0, below 0 across the North Country. The bigger picture shows, again, that lake effect coming to an end. High pressure does build in, so we expect to see a decent amount of sunshine for Saturday, but again, a cold start to the weekend. A wintry mix on Sunday. Roadways are expected to be slippery with the combination of snow, sleet, and primarily freezing rain, especially in and south of the Mohawk Valley. We have an alert day for Tuesday. We'll take a look at what that's all about coming up. Tonight, down into the single digits, cold with snow coming to an end. A look at that weekend forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The CDC facing
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. This is our CAB Tower Cam. The lake effect snow has come to an end across most of central New York. Just a couple of lingering bands to the south. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, picking up 2 inches of fresh snow across the area. That measurement was for the city of Utica today. We're partly sunny tomorrow, a high of 26. A wintry mix in the forecast for Sunday. If you're going to be heading out and about this weekend, sidewalks looking snowy tomorrow, icy as we head into Sunday. Our weather maker that we're going to be tracking for tonight is heading out to sea. This nor'easter is going to drop in some very cold weather. Looking at temperatures tomorrow morning in the single digits to below 0 to start. We're looking at some sunshine, though, as we head into Saturday. And we do warm up. It should be, all things considered, a pretty nice January day with temperatures in the low to mid 20s. Increasing clouds for Saturday night. Sunday morning. Be on the lookout for a wintry mix, slippery roadways, snow, sleet, and primarily freezing rain. First half of the day, the roads are expected to be messy, but then as we very slowly climb above freezing, conditions slowly improve. But again, we are expecting some freezing rain accumulation to take place, especially in and south of the Mohawk Valley as we head into Sunday morning and into early Sunday afternoon. Snow accumulation across the North Country, a wet 2 to 4 inches of snow for some of those higher elevations into the Adirondacks. Again, that's for Sunday morning into the afternoon. Clearing up tonight down to 5. Beautiful day tomorrow. Sunshine 26 for the high. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. That wintry mix comes to an end Sunday, followed by lake effect snow, heaviest north Monday, 22 for the high. Storm Tracker 2 alert day Tuesday, a high of only 8. We are well below 0. To start Tuesday and to finish Tuesday as well, back into the 30s on Thursday. Jason.
Bill, thank you. We've